Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from the great state of Maine. Today's video is going to be about failure is not an option. I'm at the cabin for a 10-day trip. I'm up here cutting snowmobile trails down to the lake so that I'll have snowmobile access to the lake as well as the backcountry. I've actually had to cut in a trail that would bring me over to a old logging road that will take me 25 miles back in and then separate out from there and just go for hundreds of miles once I hit a couple of trails back in there. Just got to keep them open, all that. Now I don't keep 100 miles open, but it gives me access to about 100 square miles of wilderness up here fairly easy. But like I said in the beginning, this video is about failure is not an option. Now in cutting these trails down to the lake this week, it was about 10 below zero. It was cold, but my Silky Saw failed. It failed miserably. It broke. It broke right in half. And I wasn't abusing it. I take good care of my equipment. My equipment saves my life. My snowmobiles I take care of. My tools I take care of. I keep good sharp edges on everything. So breaking this Silky Saw is not self-inflicted. I was cutting a 2-inch tree in cutting this trail down to the woods. Now, I like the Silky Saw, don't get me wrong. It cuts fast. But if it breaks, it's useless. And the only reason I bought this saw is because of the many reviews on YouTube from people saying it was a marvelous thing. But I've yet to see a video on YouTube about one of these breaking. Now, I'm not the only one that has to have broke this saw. I have lots of equipment. It doesn't fail. Not this badly. So if you're a representative of Silky Saw, a salesman, I'm going to keep this video up on YouTube until you replace this saw. It's that simple. I have an email address in my home page. You can replace this saw, or I'm going to run this ad until I'm done with YouTube. When you replace this saw, I'll do another video. This saw cost me $40. It's the Gum Boy. So, enough of that. And the same thing to you people that are doing reviews on equipment that fails. If equipment fails, you need to do that review also. Not the one where you're taking it out of the box and the package and how pretty it is and how happy you are that you're going to add this to your gear. That means nothing. Go out in the woods, use it, see what's wrong with it, then do your review. There's hardly a piece of equipment that I buy that doesn't have to be altered in some way, shape, or form to make it perform out in the real world. Salesmen just don't get it. So I've gone back to my old saw. I've gone back to the Fiskars. I've had these for years. That Silky Saw cost over $40. This cost about $20. I've never broke one of these saws. Never. They go dull, so about every 3 years I replace them. Cost about $20. I think I gave $21 for this saw. So this is what's back in my pack. Now, when this let go, I was quite a ways from this cabin. It was my tool for the day in doing trails. So failure's not an option, ever. I don't care what it is. So this is going to be a short video today. Like I said, I'm going to run this video until my saw is replaced. At that point, I'll do another video, and then we will pick it up from there. So I have two reasons for you to subscribe to this channel. One is this channel is always going to tell you the truth about being a woodsman and the truth about being in the great outdoors. And two, this channel is all about the great outdoors. Whether it's fishing, hunting, snowmobiling, life here at the off-grid cabin. Everything at this cabin is off-grid. I'm here summer, winter, and fall. Winter is my favorite. But there is so much to do here, and I'm trying to get it onto video for you guys. So subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Got him, no problem.